Hey, this is attorney Elizabeth Potts-Weinstein, and today we're going to talk about whether getting a DBA or LLC for your brand name protects your brand name from anybody else using the same name. So a common question I get from people is they've registered a DBA for their brand name or they filed an LLC with their brand name and they want to know, can anybody else get the same name? If you have created an LLC in a state, let's just say here in California, then no one else can get an LLC in California with the exact same name. But someone could get an LLC in Nevada or New York or any of the other states with the exact same name, if it's available there. Also, they could just change the name slightly. So someone could have Potts-Weinstein Media International and someone could have Potts-Weinstein International LLC. Those two LLCs are totally legit to both file, and they just have one word that's not that important different. So getting an LLC protects the exact name, but that may not be enough for you. Then DBAs, doing business as registrations, which also could be called fictitious business name registrations or trade name registrations, are when you're using a name for your business that's not the legal name of your business. So let's say I just start a business as a sole proprietor and I don't want to use my name Elizabeth Potts-Weinstein in the business. I want to have some kind of brand name. So I would file, here in California, I'd file a fictitious business name registration in the county where I am located. Does that mean no one else can use that name? Well, no, not at all, okay? Someone else could register also that fictitious business name. Number one, they could register in a different state. Number two, they could be in a different county. And in some places, they could actually just have the same name in the exact same place. So that doesn't protect you from other people getting dibs on the same name. All it does is it lists that name in a publicly available database, so you're allowed to use it for business, so you can have it on your bank account, things like that. So how do you actually protect your brand name? That's what a trademark is. So trademarks protect your branding. It could be the name of a business, the name of a product or service. It could be a tagline. It could be a logo. There's many things you can protect with a trademark. But that's the idea of a trademark. It's to get dibs so no one else can use the same name. Now you have a little bit of protection under state law when you use that name in conjunction with your product or services in that state. That's to protect people, consumers in your state where you're operating from being confused. But that doesn't help you everywhere else. So someone could set up a brand here in California and be servicing people in California. Someone else could have the exact same brand in Nevada and servicing people in Nevada. And there isn't protection against that unless you file for a trademark with the United States Patent and Trademark Office. That's why people do that. If you get a trademark, a federal trademark with the United States Patent and Trademark Office, it covers you for the entire United States, all 50 states. So if you want to protect your brand, you may want to have a DBA, so you can have the brand on your bank account. You may want to have an LLC, so you're using that for legal purposes, the legal name of your business. But if you want to protect a brand, that's when you get a trademark. I have an entire playlist all about getting trademarks, so go ahead and check that out. Otherwise, feel free to ask questions below in the comments and I'll try to point you in the right direction. Thumbs up if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tips for small business owners and entrepreneurs. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.